Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious coconut macarons. First, gather your ingredients: 100 grams of almond flour, 100 grams of powdered sugar, and 2 large egg whites. Make sure your shredded coconut is very finely ground. Precision in measuring is key for perfect shells, so use a kitchen scale for best results. This foundational step sets you up for success. Next, we tackle macaronage, the crucial step of folding your meringue into the dry ingredients. You're aiming for a lava-like consistency where the batter flows slowly off your spatula. Be gentle; overmixing can deflate your meringue, leading to flat shells. Then, pipe uniform circles, about 1.5 inches in diameter, onto your prepared baking sheet. This ensures even baking. After piping, let your macaron shells dry at room temperature for 30 to 60 minutes. This forms a slight skin, which helps create those iconic feet during baking. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 15 minutes, rotating halfway through. The shells should have developed feet and be stable when gently wiggled. Let them cool completely. Finally, it's time for the delicious coconut filling. You can make a rich coconut buttercream or a smooth coconut ganache. Once your shells are completely cool, pipe a generous dollop of your chosen filling onto the flat side of one macaron shell. Then, gently place another shell on top, creating a perfect sandwich. Enjoy your homemade coconut macarons.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.